Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. I'm inside the showroom. I'm checking out one gorgeous 1971 Chevy C10 pickup. It's a long bed. You don't see too many long beds out there as everybody's going after the short beds, but I'll tell you what, this is one long bed you've got to have. Built right. Totally restored. This is an original owner Alabama truck. Was sold to a gentleman in Tennessee who did the restoration over the course of about a year and a half. Was finished up about a year ago. Just beautiful job. The color on this is a 1957 Corvette color called Arctic Ice Blue, and it is gorgeous. Check out the body and paint on this. It's got the cowl hood. Just a slight steel cowl hood on it. The body is straight as can be. Absolutely no rust. Was evidently a rust-free truck to start out. So it was an easy restoration as far as the paint and body goes. Just a beautiful color choice. Really sets it apart. Covering the long bed is a Craft Tech tonneau cover. The bed itself has been lined, so you can use this bed. That tonneau cover seals up nice. You can throw your luggage in there, whatever, go for a nice long weekend run. This baby will run and drive, get you anywhere. Wait till you hear this baby. Underneath the hood, well, look at these body lines again. But underneath the hood, you've got a Crate 383 stroker motor from Jegs. It's a 400 horsepower motor out of the Crate. Also has ceramic coated headers. Wait till you hear this ride. She's also got four-wheel power disc brakes, power steering, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans to keep it running cool. Beautiful custom interior. Interior is out of a 2001 Tahoe. Hey, sticking with the drivetrain and suspension, all new front and rear suspension. It's been lowered. It's sitting on a set of 20-inch American Racing torque thrusts, front and rear, with almost brand new meat on that wheel. But check out this interior. Beautiful bucket seat interior, shoulder seat belts, tilt steering column, tack in the dash, really cool center console, cup holder. Oh, under the hood is also Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection. You can't beat that for easy starts and smooth running. I'll fire up for you. Turn of the key. There's your Holley readout. Fires right up like a fuel injected truck would. Wait till you hear this beast. I took it out for a nice run and she drives great. A little stall in the Turbo 400 automatic transmission, about a 2500 or 3000 stall, but this is a streetable beast. Posi rear, 12 bolt, 308 gears in the rear, so she'll run highway speeds no problem. Listen to her run. I got a smile on my face, hopefully you do too. If you've been looking for a C10, you love the long bed, this is one you want to have. This one's show and go ready. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much. Look forward to speaking to you.